Hey there, this is Dustin here again. Actually, it was kind of like running into some problems where, um, like this is Game Boy Advance, but any like the Game Boy Color will do this, or the DMG, where if there's a headphone in, it won't play audio through the speakers. Well, I ran across that and I was like, how in the heck am I going to clean inside there? Well, what I did is I actually went, and this one's cut. I got some stiff bristle. See if I can zoom in on that. Stiff bristle pipe cleaners. I just grabbed these off Amazon, and I found this is helping with two things. If you're using a headphone jack and it's scratchy, or if it's stuck and it's causing the speaker not to play. So all I did is I just dipped again, this is a stiff bristle pipe cleaner, and put it into the phone or the headphone jack. And you can see it like fits right all the way through there. And I just kind of like turn it around as I'm going back and forth and get it all nice and clean. You can use the other side to dry it out a little bit. I'd still, it's wet in there, so I would give it a little while to dry. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I found it's fixing a couple problems. See ya.